So this is super easy. This is like one of those things that you call a no-brainer, right? This is so easy. Your grandmother could do it. I've always wanted to say that. Yeah, but you know what? I shouldn't say that because there's a lot of really smart grandmothers out there. So no disrespect to no grandmothers out there. There's a lot of super smart grannies out there. So yeah, so I'll take that back. What's she doesn't want to be in my video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually at my mechanic right now. And as you can see, I've got my 9th gen here. Just got my license plate put back on the car because I got pulled over twice in the space of an hour because the license plate wasn't on the car. What's up?
It's okay, don't get upset. There's no front plate on the vehicle?
It came off and I was supposed to put it on. I was supposed to put it on and I forgot to put it on yesterday.
Did you have all your documents?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
What's up, man? Yeah, we just got stopped for it in Brampton.
This is the second time.
Oh,
It
you
fell
did?
off
Yeah,
yesterday.
it fell off and we're supposed to put it back
fell
on.
off yesterday.
Okay.
And
And
you're
we got
supposed to put
stopped
it
for it. It's in the trunk.
Yeah,
It's
he let us
just got
know,
stopped.
but we didn't have anything to put it on.
That's all good.
That's
Mind
fine.
if I see your driver's license?
Yeah.
Sounds good. You got your
My insurance is on my phone.
Okay, yeah, no worries, no worries.
That's a norm now, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. I've got mine on my phone too, so.
And now I'm at the shop, and what I'm doing now is I'm changing the horn. I'm not even sure why Honda does this. Why pretty much they use the Honda Odyssey, the family van horn on the Accords, right? And I don't like it. You know what I mean? You know how much time I blow my horn, or something happened, and I refuse to blow my horn because it sounds like a family van. Mind you, you're driving a beautiful, cute Honda Accord, and blow the horn, and it sounds like a family van. I don't like it. So what do? Went to the scrapyard and I get a Civic, 2 Civic horn. I'll show it to you guys. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm changing the horns. Oh no. No, you guys. I only have one. Oh wait, no. Oh no, I do have them. See? Look at that. Look at all the horns. Now I get to pick one. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the best one. These I got from the scrapyard. They're really dirty, but that one's not the best. This one looks okay. I like this one and this one. Actually, why is this one bigger? And this one's smaller. These looks like they're all 3 different sizes. Okay, so let's try these 2. I'll try these 2 and see. Yeah, let's try these 2. So let me see if I can get that out of there. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Look at that thing. It's horrible. Look at this one, like look at that compared to that. Family van horn, okay? This doesn't sound good in a cute Honda Accord, okay? Doesn't belong. I'm not sure why Honda does that. Cute Civic horn, but before I do, what I'm gonna do is, I think the connectors are the same, so let me see something really quick. Yeah, I think they're the same. Let's see. What? Look at that. Perfect. Works like a charm. Now, let's see if Mike's got some light here. I'm gonna get some lights. Okay. Put that there. Wait, it doesn't even work. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong. Okay. There we go. That's more like it. Okay, so in order for this to work, it has to have some kind of a ground, right? So now it needs to touch the body, or else it won't work. See, he was telling me, you see, I'm telling you, Mike doesn't know much, eh? My mechanic, he doesn't know much at all. Okay? He's been a mechanic for the last 30 years, and I still gotta teach this guy stuff. I hope he's not listening to me. he's telling me it doesn't fit. The connectors are different, so I'm gonna have to cut the wire. And I'm like, bro, I've done this multiple times before. I don't need to cut. There's no wire. You don't need to cut any wire. Wait, I think this one goes on that side. Okay, hold on. Let's try that. Okay, I think this one. Let's try this one. Yeah. There we go. That's more like it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah! Doesn't that sound better? Doesn't that sound better? Oh man. Okay, so that sounds better, so now I need to connect this one. And this is like super easy to change. Super, super easy to change. I'll show you guys in a minute. I don't know why these guys have this, you know what I mean? Like, why does Honda decided to put the Honda Odyssey horn on the Accords? Why? It's not a family van, it's an Accord. Especially when you're driving the V6 6-speed manual transmission. You don't want to pull up the stoplight and have to blow somebody in. Or like look over and like I'm thinking it's a family van when it's a beautiful Honda Accord. Now you guys can see the difference between, it's gonna come to light here. You can see the difference between the horns, right? Like look at this thing. It's like a trumpet. It looks weird. Look at that. Looks almost like something you can like blow. Boop, boop, boop. That didn't look right, does it? I shouldn't have done that. You guys ignore that. I'm not sure. And then you look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Funny thing is, I didn't test it to make sure it works before I connect it up. But I mean, it is so easy to install. And then come over here, babe. And then as you guys can see, I mean, it's the same exact connector, right? Plug and play. Voila, just like that. Plug and play. Civic horn. Look at it, it sounds like a friggin' pen. Civic horn to the Accord horn. What a difference. This is actually gonna save me, I don't know, like a liter of gas. This thing is so heavy. You know how heavy this is? This is gonna save me some gas. I'm telling you guys. Now there's 2 of them. You know how much gas I'm gonna save from not having these? I can actually cruise with this thing. Look at that. Look at that muscle, boy. Look at them guns. Look at them guns. And if I do 2, build the biceps, the triceps. This is how heavy these things are. Garbage. Don't need that anymore. Now, okay, so let me, now I gotta make sure I'm gonna connect this up properly. Me more. Look at that. Come, friends, look at it. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Going a little bit. See, you've got one horn here, and then you have another one here, and I mean, amazing. I'm gonna go and blow the horn, and that sounds a lot better than having, you know, the Honda Odyssey family van horn in the car. And guys, like I said, this is super easy stuff to do, right? Like, look at this. Like, look at this. And the sound of this, that sounds like the Honda Odyssey. If you have a Honda Odyssey, if you know what a Honda Odyssey sounds like, this is the same exact horn that they use in the Honda Accords, right? And there's nothing cute about it, right? But the Civic horn, I've always liked the Civic horn. I've always believed that the Civic horn it's got that cute little beep beep. It's cute, right? I'm going for cute. You know, cute's always good, right, babe? Cute's good? Cute's good.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for cute. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to just replace this guy. And that's it. And just like that, so you put the cover back on. Okay, and like I said, the only thing you have to remove is this plastic clip. That's it. Horns are right below that. Right, so this is super easy. This is like one of those things that you call a no-brainer. Right? This is so easy. Your grandmother could do it. I've always wanted to say that. Yeah, but you know what? I shouldn't say that because there's a lot of really smart grandmothers out there. So no disrespect to no grandmothers out there. There's a lot of super smart grannies out there. So I'll take that back. But yeah, it is so simple, guys, and so easy that, I mean, anybody could do it, right? And of course, you know how to put, replace the clips. Actually, I should put that one there, but yeah, it won't fall out. Okay, I think all my clips are in. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada good. Boom! And just like that, you guys, horn's been replaced. So if you want to know how to replace your Honda horn and get some Civic horn, which is going to sound a lot better, you just learn how to do it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the videos. Always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.